This is a behind-the-scenes look at the birds, Boo Boo and Bubba. This is the feeding hall where they regain their energy for each event. That's right. Each day, before Saturday, they stay here, practice, and eat. Birds need to regain their energy with seeds. So, the birds are really friendly towards each other, so they like to help each other. So they feed each other seeds when one doesn't get enough. Now let's just watch the birds and see how they do. Well, after it gets to at least 1 minute, I guess that'll be the end. I guess 1 minute and 30 seconds because it's almost over. So let's just watch the birds and see what they naturally do. No shipment of seeds. Oh, you get it in the bucket. But only a little bit. And that's the end of the bird feeding hall.